Title: God is not in the Qur'an, only Allah. If Jesus isn't in the Arabic Qur'an, then why are you calling Allah God? That's not translation. That's corruption. Surah 6:115. None can change his words, not a letter, not a name, not even God. The Qur'an was revealed in Arabic, and Allah chose his own name, Allah, not God. God is generic. It can mean gods, goddess, idols, but Allah is one, unique, untouchable. Surah 18:27 says, "None can change his words, no refuge but him." So why do some Qur'ans replace Allah with God? Why change a divine name into a man-made label? Surah 112. Say, He is Allah, the One, and there is none like unto him. God opens the door to confusion. Allah closes it forever. So here's your challenge. Show us one verse in Arabic that says God. You can't, because it doesn't exist. Stop changing Allah's name. Stop calling Isa Jesus. And stop changing what he never allowed. Surah 6:115. His words are final.